What's going on, everyone? Mosey and Moses here. Today's video, just giving Ole Betsie a hand polish, cleaning her up on the inside. Just cleaning her up, getting her ready for work next week. I did an oil change on her already and greased her up, so I just got to give her a quick hand polish and clean her up, make her look good. These rims are a bit dirty. Going to use hand polish this time instead of my quick detail to freshen up the aluminum on her, get her looking perfect and minty to get her trashed next week. Gotta have her looking her best before we go out. Even though it doesn't last long, makes me feel better knowing that I put in that work. Gotta maintain the aluminum with all the hours I've put into polishing her. Gotta keep her looking her best. I'll pick the camera back up in a minute. Working up a sweat in here. Got the outside of Ole Betsie done. Got her looking tip top. Ooh, she's shining. She's looking real good. Got both sets of stainless tubs now. That'll be a project for probably next weekend. It was Canada Day yesterday, so I didn't get them mounted. Got to get some new hardware for the rear fenders for when I mount them. Now it's time to get the inside of Ole Betsie looking as good as the outside. She needs to get cleaned up. It's a long week. Gotta clean her up. And I figured out what's wrong with my air conditioning. There's a small pinhole in my condenser. So I got a new AC condenser ordered. Hopefully that shows up next week, so we can get AC in the old girl. That'll be nice once I have AC in her. I sure miss air conditioning. But yeah, I'll quit jibber jabbering and get to work on the interior of her. Pick the camera back up in a bit. I want to show you guys just how good the Sinister El Diablo polish is. You can see this little piece right here. No shine to it. Come on, camera. Stay still. There we go. Just put a little bit right there. And then we work it in. This is my on-off switch for my truck. Then pow! Look at that shine on that switch. You can see my finger in there. Just like that. Freaking love that hand polish. I'll pick the camera back up in a minute. Got some more stuff inside that I'm going to quickly polish by hand. Got her all cleaned up. Just waiting for my towels and bath mats to dry so that I can put them back in the truck. Today I polished this brass piece. You can't really tell. And this aluminum. And my switch in the background. Oh, you can kind of see my hand on that backing plate. I'd polished that up. Ooh, she's looking good. I love the smell of those supernova Christmas trees. Or little trees, I guess that's what they're called. But yeah, once my towels and bath mats are dry, put them back in the truck, hook her on the trailer, go park Ole Betsie over by my place so I don't gotta get up so early tomorrow morning to go to work. I'll pick the camera up when I go to roll out of the shop. Just gotta connect the airlines, check the lights and everything. Woo, she is shiny out here. Ooh, she looks good. Looks darn good in the sunshine. Pick the camera back up once I'm ready to leave. Let's head to town now. Nice easy load tomorrow. This intersection is busy today. Got one more vehicle that I'll let go. Once I get parked. Sorry about the wind noise. Oh, car coming. Got the old girl parked by my place. Ooh, look at her shining. But anyways, this is going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Damn, look at that shine on her. Ooh-wee.